Hello everybody, welcome to Adam Explorer, a channel where we make Arabic fun and easy to learn. Let's begin our journey.
Lesson 5.1.
ضمير متصل.
What is the meaning of
ضمير متصل.
exactly?
ضمير
Means pronouns.
متصل.
Means connected. It means that the Dhomir is connected to a word, like this.
كتاب.
Meets.
هو.
Becomes.
كتابه.
Try to guess. Muttasil is the opposite meaning of Muttasil.
ضمير
Means pronouns.
منفصل.
Means separated. It means that the Dhomir is separated from a word. Like this.
هو محمد.
For Dhomir Muttasil, there are 14 Dhomir that are linked to the Dhomir Munfasil. Let's learn how to change these Dhomir Munfasil to Dhomir Muttasil, from subject pronouns to object, possessive pronouns. Dhomir Muttasil is on the left, and Dhomir Munfasil is on the right. Let's use Isim to connect with Dhomir Muttasil. His book.
كتابه.
Her book.
كتابها.
Their books.
كتبهما.
Their books.
كتبهم. كتبهن.
Keep on practicing. Stay tuned for upcoming lesson 5.2.
Do support us by subscribe, like, follow, and share. إلى اللقاء. See you again.